Want to level up your Discord game and make your chats explode with personality? I'm going to show you exactly how to create awesome GIFs for Discord in under 90 seconds. First, let's talk about online GIF makers. Head to a site like Giphy or GIF, upload your video clip, and trim it to the perfect length. Most sites let you add captions and stickers, so get creative. Tweak the duration, add some text, maybe a funny sticker, and hit that create button. Boom. Your GIF is ready to download. Next up, video editing software. This gives you even more control. Import your video into your favorite video editor, cut out the best part, and adjust the speed for dramatic effect. Export as a GIF file. Experiment with different loop options to get the perfect vibe. Finally, the easiest method: screen recording. Use a screen recorder to capture anything on your screen, a funny animation, a quick game clip, anything. Then, just convert that recording to a GIF using one of the online tools we talked about earlier. And that's it. 3 easy ways to create GIFs for Discord. Now go forth and unleash your GIF making superpowers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tips. #Discord tips, #GIF creation.